in Mills County. Looking back up over that hill, if you recall, is the thin overlay, or the crack seal is immediately over the hill. Then the GPS site 483865, the slurry 48Q320, and the thin overlay 48Q310. Looking at the control here, you can see that there is quite a bit of bleeding again. About 1 meter in the inside wheel path, about 1.25 meters in the outside. We do have some cracking on this section. Several patches, or areas if you will, of fatigue. But still not nearly as much cracking as on the thin overlay. That's still got the most cracking to speak of. This section definitely has the most rutting. We had a couple areas with 13, 14, 15 millimeters of rutting through here. Smaller patches of fatigue. It's a couple meters long, maybe half a meter wide. Another one right here at station 3. But you can see the bleeding about 1.25 meters wide right there at the edge along the shoulder stripe, and about 1 meter in the inside wheel path. For the most part, this section still holding its own. A little area, not quite fatigued yet, just several transverse cracks in a row, but I suspect next time I'm out here it'll be progressed into fatigue. Station 4. You can see the bleeding in the inside wheel path basically just stops cold about 139. The bleeding in the inside wheel path stops cold at 139. And as I mentioned, all the markings are in good shape, all delineators, same as with the other sections. Other than a few little areas of fatigue cracking, this section is still pretty much holding its own. It does have more rutting than most of the other sections, ranging from 7 up to as high as 13, 14, even one spot that had 15 millimeters of rutting. And with that, I'll go ahead and shut the camera down as we move on to the chip seal section up ahead there. With that, I'll conclude the video here for section 48Q340, the control on US 183 in Mills County.